Hello student, today we continue as in previous video exercise 20.1 question number 10. Question number 10, limit x tend to 0 1 minus cos x upon x square. Now limit x tend to 0 1 minus cos x upon x square. Put the value of x 0, so cos 0 is 1, 0 upon 0 form. Now we expand the value of cos, expand cos x 1 minus in bracket 1 minus x square by 2 plus x की power 4 by factorial 4 minus x की power 6 upon factorial 6. Now whole upon x. Now transfer these minus, that implies limit x tend to 0 1 minus 1 plus x square by factorial 2 minus x power 4 by factorial 4 plus x power 6 factorial 6 whole upon x square. Now minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. Limit x tend to 0 common x square 1 by factorial 2 plus minus x square by factorial 4 plus dot so on whole upon x square cancel out. Put the limit 1 upon factorial 2 minus 0 plus dot. This is answer 1 upon 2. This is the answer is 1 upon 2. This question is solved in different way. Now as we know cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta or 2 cos square theta minus 1. ये दोनों फार्मूला cos थीटा के होते हैं. तो हम आपको वीडियो में ये पढ़ाए हैं, जब भी 1 के साथ cos थीटा आए या cos 2 थीटा आए या cos 4 थीटा आए तो cos थीटा का इन दोनों में से वही एक्सटेंशन हम लेंगे जो इस 1 को क्या करें कैंसिल आउट कर दें. तो अगर हम बात करें हमको cos थीटा में -1 की वैल्यू करना है तो यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करें इसको तो अगर ये थीटा है तो ये थीटा बाई 2 हो जाएगा. अगर इस फार्मूले को यूज करें तो अगर हम 1 माइनस cos थीटा करें तो ये हो जाएगा 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा साइन स्क्वायर एक्स या थीटा की जगह पे x बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस cos x. नाउ यूज दिस फार्मूला इन गिवन फंक्शन. नाउ अल्टरनेट मेथड इज लिमिट x टेंड टू 0 1 minus cos x upon x square. That implies limit x tend to 0. This 1 minus x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 upon x square. Now limit x tend to 0. This function arranging in the form sin x by 2 upon x by 2, 2 is right in denominator x whole square. And as we know limit x tend to 0 sin theta upon theta is equal to 1. थीटा की जगह पे यहाँ पे क्या है x by 2. Now sorry, this square is 4, 1 by 2 is common here. Now 1/2 is limit x tend to 0 sin x by 2 upon x by 2 whole square. This value is 1/2 into 1 square is equal to 1/2. This is the alternate method. Now in similar way, question number 11. Question number 11. This question is related to second type of how to find limit function. कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 है, ये सेकंड टाइप वाले क्वेश्चन है जिसको हम आपको पढ़ाए थे कि अगर फंक्शन इरेशनल हो जाए, लिमिट x टेंड टू 0 x अपॉन अंडर रूट x प्लस 2 माइनस अंडर रूट, तो ये अगर फंक्शन इरेशनल फंक्शन है तो हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? तो हमने कहा था इरेशनल फंक्शन अगर है तो इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए इसका रेशनलाइजिंग कर लें हम लोग। तो रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर आपका इसी का कॉन्जुगेट होगा। नाउ सॉल्यूशन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 सॉल्यूशन, लिमिट x टेंड टू 0 x होल अपॉन अंडर रूट x प्लस 2 माइनस अंडर रूट 2। नाउ रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर अंडर रूट x प्लस 2 प्लस अंडर रूट 2 होल अपॉन अंडर रूट x प्लस 2 प्लस अंडर रूट 2, that implies limit x tend to 0. Now this numerator x into under root x plus 2 plus under root 2 whole upon this value a minus b a plus b under root x plus 2 whole square minus under root 2 whole square. Now again solve. x tend to 0 x under root x plus 2 plus under root 2, this value x plus 2 minus 2 cancel out, x is cancel out, put the value of limit, तो limit की value 0 plus under root 2 plus under root 2. Now under root 2 plus under root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 in the value of given function. Now question number 12 is our standard result. Question number 12 is limit theta tend to 0 sin theta upon 4 whole upon theta. Now solution, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर आपके 12 है। लिमिट थीटा टेंड टू 0 sin theta upon 4 and this theta is written theta upon 4 into 4, that is in denominator multiply and divide 4. Now this 4 is outside of the limit 1/4, limit theta tend to 0 sin theta by 4 whole upon theta by 4. Now this value is limit into 1 is equal to 1/4. Since limit x tend to 0 sin x upon x is equal to 1. This is the required answer. Now in similar way solve question number 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now we discuss question number 17. Question number 17 is limit n tend to infinity. Question number 17, limit n tend to infinity 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 dot dot so on, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 so on, n square whole upon n cube. Now put the limit तो लिमिट इनफाइनाइट अपॉन इनफाइनाइट फॉर्म. Now we discuss limit n tend to infinity. This is the square of first n natural number. This is 1 by 6 n plus 1 2n plus 1. This is the formula of sum of square of first n natural number and n cube. Now we discuss 1 by 6 is out of limit. Now limit n tend to infinity. N and n is common in this bracket, so into n, and the required is 1 plus 1 by n, and n is common here in this factor 2 plus 1 upon n. Now n. So this n square into n cube cancel out. So 1 by 6 limit n tend to infinity 1 plus 1 by n and 2 plus 1 by n. Now solve 1 upon 6, put the value of limit. So 1 plus 1 by infinity 2 plus 1 by infinity, and 1 by infinity is equal to 0. Now 1 by 6 1 plus 0 2 plus 0, so 1 or 2 is 2. Now 1 by 6 into 2, that is 1 by 3, which is the required answer. Thank you class.